Hey Glam Dolls, I'm back again. This is going to be another vlog day with me and Glam Girl Ashley and some of our friends. So I'm getting ready now, and it's Cinco de Mayo. Hey Glam Dolls, on the way to get Glam Girl Ashley, so let's take this ride. See you when I get there. Let me see your shirt, babe. What kind of shoes you got on?
All women are evil.
What?
That's basically what it means. All women are evil.
Oh, okay. Cinco de Mayo. About to tear up some nachos. So excited about this. Camera's on you, Glam Girl. It's good?
Glam boy Reg.
That was it.
Oh my gosh. He is so annoying. That was at his birthday thing when we were leaving. I was trying to snap, but he gonna get behind my
So we're planning summer trips
without me.
You are like 5 summer trips.
Maybe on 6.
Oh my God.
Y'all something else.
We're trying to discover if we want to go to the Hamptons for the summer and live a bougie life.
The Glam Girl, not me.
The Glam Girl guy. Do y'all want to see me and Ashley go to the Hamptons? Comment below.
Or do y'all want to see Day and the Glam Girl go to the Hamptons?
Me and Kevin are going to the Dominican Republic together, so y'all get to see that. We are also going to LA, Miami. Where else are we going? Atlanta. And y'all get to see all that. We're taking you guys with us. So.
Let me see if I can do this. Hold on. I look crazy. You gotta color in the lines, that's what they say.
All over her lips.
What is this? Oh my God, Ashley, it's on your chin! On my where? On your chin! Is it?
She ain't that drunk.
Where? I have my mirror. Oh, where's your mirror? The one you bought yesterday. You have it? Let me see. You gotta take the sticker off. Kevin. Let me see. You gotta take the sticker off.
It's from Sephora, everybody.
I like her red. That's what they red things on. We gonna fight. Keep on messing with me.
I'm a tag you, don't worry about it. I'm a tag.
It's a Sephora gift card package, everybody.
Lip liner with it or you just? Yeah, normally, but it's gone now. I didn't pack it with me. What line do you usually do it? It's by Kylie Fox. I don't know the name of it. I didn't buy anything Kylie Jenner. You know what? Reggie got it for me. I just mentally. I didn't buy it. That's her favorite person in the world. I just don't want to support the Kardashians. Don't say that too loud.
I don't like makeup.
Don't say nothing about the Kardashians around me.
Not too loud, y'all.
And I hate makeup.
This is ridiculous. I have food all on my lips right now. I'm telling you.
I told you not to put it on. You don't listen.
I like Kylie Jenner's makeup line. Not like oh, wow. Okay. She's the #1 fan.
Don't say nothing about Kylie. I'm supporting nothing. Go crazy.
She ain't a billionaire for nothing now.
I have food all on my lips. I look so good.
Oh, really?
Ashley, this is 2 minutes and 13 seconds, so you putting on lipstick.
I look crazy.
So be excited. Mwah. We love you, Glam Dolls. Bye, y'all. Bye.
2,000 years later.
Together and run. Anybody want that type of blessing and anointing on their life? You can keep it if you want to and put it and just have this little stingy spirit, or you can say, God, I honor you, and God, I trust you. Not.
All right, good morning. It's Sunday. I'm really supposed to be at church right now, but I decided to kind of skip out to catch up on some things. So I'm about to mop my house and then I'm going to cook. So I'm not going to show you guys me because I kind of look busted right now. So yeah, I'm just going to clean up a little bit, then start cooking. I really want to go ahead and marinate this meat and let it sit in the refrigerator in its marination for a little while, or marinade, sorry. And so by the time 1 or 2 p.m. comes, my meat will be marinated and very flavorful. So this is what I'm going to be cooking today. I haven't quite decided on what sides I will be making, but I'm about to clean up. I love this whole mop thing, and now my mom is calling, so I'll get back with you guys in just a second. So today I'm going to be trying this emergency and raspberry flavor because I've been feeling a little low, and I don't know, I just feel like I need a boost in my immune system. So this is supposed to like help me out. So I hope it's, I'm not gonna say good, but I hope it's bearable that I can take this, because I hate medicine. I hate, if I can taste it, I really don't like it. So I try to get a flavor that I like. So hopefully it will be good and it helps me out because I really need a boost. And the school year is almost over, so I definitely need to keep it pushing, and I don't want to take any days off. So yeah, as you can see, probably hear, my washing machine is going now, so I'm trying to do laundry, trying to get things together. And this is my laundry room over here. Let's let it focus. Yeah, I need to clean that up a little bit. So today is not Sunday fun day. It is definitely cook, clean, and get stuff done today. thing I want to do is like coat the bottom of my pan, just for the parts that probably won't get seasoned. But I always just coat the bottom of my bowl or whatever my meat is seasoning or marinating in, so it can have all angles and make sure it does not miss the beats. Things that I don't need anymore, then I'm going to mop. This is the Lysol I wash my counters with, and I also mop the floor. So I use this as mop in my mop water. It makes the house smell so good. Like, I can't even tell y'all how fresh and clean it makes the house smell. And I also use it for my toilets too. I use it for almost everything. So this is a good one. I love the way this smells. Bucket. I already poured some of this in there. So now I'm just going to add water. Okay. So here we go. I like this mop because you don't have to break your back in order to do certain things. Going to be making these dinner rolls. These are so good if you want quick bread. And carrots. This is my first time going to be trying the red beans and rice and the collard greens. Some of this is already seasoned and their brand is really good, so that's what I'll be trying. So this will be the size with our meat that is in the oven. Let's check on meat. Looking good. Okay, I'm back. I just finished showering and, you know, freshening up, brushing my teeth for the morning, and now I'm going to put on a shirt and some shorts and finish cooking and things like that. I found these two shirts. They remind me of the Game of Thrones. Any Game of Thrones fans out there, let me know. Write me something in the comments below. Alright, y'all, so you're currently sitting on my bed. Sorry that I look a mess again, but I'm going to show you some things that I got over the weekend. And first, we're going to start off with Typo. It's a little gadget store. That's what I like to call it, because you can find anything, a whole bunch of notepads and pens and bags, computer things, cups. And I just love it because I'm like the ultimate gadget queen, and I'm a teacher, so I collect everything. So I bought this bag. It's like a makeup bag. That's what I'm going to use it for. Normally leopard or something pink is my thing, but I thought this little marble feel was cute. It was on sale for $10. I wonder if it's gonna focus for you. Maybe not. Yeah, $10. and it's originally $30. So yeah, I usually wait for things to go on sale in there. So it's double-sided, and I figured this would be good for my makeup when I'm on the go. I can put brushes on one side and makeup on the other. So, or toiletries kind of on one side and makeup and brushes on the other. So I figured this would be good to condense my bags, because I like to keep things separate. Or if I'm just going on a mini vacay, this will be a great thing for my carry-on. So yeah, that's from Typo. Let me know if you shop there or if you like it there. Next, I went to H&M. Got this little dress on sale. This is not a try on haul, so I will not be trying it on. Let me button it back up. Again, it has my print on here. It's leopard. I'm so excited. And I got this on sale for $8.99. It's so freaking cute. So cute. But yeah, it's leopard. It's a cute little dress. If you have not already found our Instagram page at the Glam Girl Guide, it's cute for brunch or a dinner date or something like that. So I finally have something to wear. I can't say I don't have anything to wear. Oh, and if you are wondering, I got this in a size 6. I probably needed an 8, but they did not have an 8. They only have the 6, but it still fits. So yeah, $8.99. Love it. Next, I went to Marshall's, my favorite store. Everybody, if you do not know, I am the Marshall queen of Marshalls. Oh, my leopard obsession continues. Look at these cute little shoes. They even have where your toes go. But these are so cute, and they're like the furry kind, like a little fur. I don't know if the camera picks it up good, but it's like the fur kind, and it's so comfortable and so cute. These were 30 bucks, but they're comfortable, and they don't hurt or rub or anything like that. And I just love the feel. And leopard, my friends, go with everything. Leopard goes with everything. So yeah, I had to have these. They'll be cute with jeans, capris, denim shorts, anything like that. And plus we're going on a lot of vacations, so I just really want something I could throw on and keep going. And like I said, leopard is my favorite. So yeah. The next thing I got was a Champion shirt in pink. Out of the men's section, I got this oversized. So this shirt was $9.99 at Marshall's. And lastly, I got this travel ID combo thing. And I really wanted this belt on this side, because typically I have 2 suitcases. Sometimes it's my huge suitcase and my smaller suitcase. And how I'm set up, I can't be rolling 2 suitcases, and you know, even though they're the little spinny kind that the wheels go everywhere, it's just me. Like, I can't control them, especially when I'm trying to text and vlog and all kind of things in the airport. So yeah, I wanted really for the belt to combine my 2 suitcases together. So yeah, that's what I wanted it for. And then they came with 2 ID cases for each bag, which I thought it was cute. Not a problem. And this was only $7.99 for the whole entire thing. Okay, Target will have you broke AF, okay? I love Target, but I hate going there, because if you're not ready to spend $100 on accident, don't go in Target. Or if you make a list, only go down the aisles that is on your list. I know you're probably wondering, why the hell do you have that? This is the theme of my classroom, by the way. So I'm going to keep the same theme for next year. And you know, when you start looking for things for your classroom, or you're just looking for things that you need in general, you can't ever find it. So I bought this for my classroom for next year. It was $5. So I know you probably don't care about that. You're probably like, and moving on. Okay, so I'm on my last little bit in the shower. So this is the one that I want to try next. I'm the one with the blue cap. So I think that's, I can't remember the name of it, but this one smells so good. Very good. And it has coconut milk with jasmine petals in it, and it smells so good. And I love this, and I love the Dove brand because it is like moisturizing. It feels so good, and the smell, it lasts like almost all day. And if I take a shower at night, I just love flipping over and smelling myself. That's the weirdest shit I've ever heard, but it smells so good. Okay, next one is the St. Ives exfoliator. Yep, so I got a mini one and I have a big one. I got these products because I'm like working on my bikini line, and they say if you exfoliate it and treat it like your face, your skin will be extraordinarily bomb. This gets shipped to me every month. Oh, it's upside down side. It gets shipped to me every month. It's Shop I Love Jewelry. So let's see what I got for May. The first, oh wow. First thing I have is a little pouch. Okay, this is cute. Can my phone fit in here at all? Let's see. Oh, my iPhone X does fit in here. It's in that thing. And a necklace. Let's see what this necklace is. It's a necklace. It's so cute. You get 3 things a month. I don't know if you can see how it's like a pearly effect. Can you see? It's like a pearl effect. There you go. So pretty. You get 3 things, and one of your things will be monogrammed with your initials. Oh, this is super cute. This is a dress. It's a maxi dress. Oh my god, it's so cute. And my name, my initials are on the back. Oh my god, this is cute. Hi Glam Dolls, thanks for watching. I'm sorry I didn't come back to the camera with the good food that I cooked, but from that point on, after showing you all what I bought and things like that, I just relaxed, watched Game of Thrones, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, had a little fun time with my husband, and walked my pets. So that is all. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great and wonderful week.